Let's begin single crochet 3 together. So chain up 1 and let's put the first 3 together as one stitch. So going in, pull through, going to the next one, pull through. This would be a single crochet 2 together if you were to finish the stitch, but we're gonna go one more and going in and pulling it through, and you have 4 loops on your hook. So yarning over, pulling it through all 4, and that was a single crochet 3 together. So let's put the next 3 together. So in, pull through, and keep collecting them until you get your 4 loops on the hook and pull through all of them. Let's do the next 3. So in, and in, and then pull through all 4, and that would be how you would do single crochet 3 together.